Haga kharwai terek unaitung ahaja apuar menteri ketenat boarding uba prestun tensang ula pentep ba ke sarkar jala kan weng no ekajing pelip ding lani ka load shedding ka bejule mana kasngi saw kenta haba pentep yakani uba prestun ula ithu baladap banchna yaki southly ki unit jong ki project boarding ki bathut hakini kisngi kitayo baladap
that load shedding will be lifted from today midnight, and we will try our best that load shedding will no longer be there, even in the future, in the near future, in the state of Meghalaya. See why we have to take this unpleasant decision to go for load shedding for 4 hours a day. I think you are all aware. The units that we have has broken halfway, and then I'm happy to tell you that now out of 4 units, 2 units now is fully restored, and 1 unit from OTPC also has been restored, and 1 unit also from NIPCO, it has been restored. Therefore, ultimately, after calculating all the requirement in terms of million units, so we decided today to lift the load shedding with effect from today midnight in the state of Meghalaya. So number 2, I would like to express my sincere thanks to all the residents of the state who jointly suffered with all of us, with the corporation, with the government, who really bear the brunt of load shedding. But my humble request to all of them is, please cooperate, work together with the government, work together with the officials of the MeECL, because we all know the machine is the machine. Sometimes it breaks down anytime, any moment. Though in the middle of the monsoon, where generally we don't have load shedding at all these years, but it so happened this time. All the 4 units broke down, and not only the 4 units of the MeECL, but 2 units. One is the unit of NIPCO, and one is the unit of OTPC, which was also broke down.